Okay, welcome everyone to Introduction to Sociology, West Virginia State University, Nitro High School. My name is Brandon Dean. I am the instructor for this course, and what I want to do is kind of take a few minutes and go over the syllabus with you. Since we're not officially meeting in class, I want to at least take a few minutes and go over the important parts of the syllabus and give you an idea of kind of what to expect. I do plan on coming to your school. I'm not sure if you'll be seeing this video before or after I come to your school, but this is something that you can kind of access if you need to, if you have questions or need further clarification down the road. The important information is on the first page of the syllabus. At this point, I'm going to urge you to go to the website and go under the tab that says Syllabus and print off or have available to look at while you're looking at this video the syllabus. I have the important information again on the first page. The textbook information, Sociology, A Down-to-Earth Approach, 12th edition. You do need to have the textbook for this class, by the way, so please go ahead and start trying to get that. You have the ordering information on the front of the syllabus. I don't know if you can see it, but the book looks like this. Give you an idea of kind of what to look at. I gave you the numbers for both the hardback and the paperback edition. I would suggest going online and ordering the book. If you go to the bookstore on campus, it's going to cost a lot of money. Even if you get a used copy, it's going to cost you a lot. I often urge students to even share. If 3 or 4 of you want to go in, or a couple of you want to go in together and order a book and share it to save cost, that's perfectly okay with me as well. But you will need the book. The first week or so you probably won't need the book, but go ahead and start trying to get that. My email address, which is very important, this is going to be our primary avenue of communication. bdean@wvstateu.edu. So you'll need to have that handy. Like I said, I am going to come to your school hopefully at least one time before the class officially launches to answer any questions you might have, or to go over some things that you might have questions about in class. It is very important that you have a reliable email. I'm going to ask you to provide me a reliable working email address when I come to your school, and that'll be the email address that you'll use for correspondence in this course. I'll be attaching documents, I'll be sending PowerPoint presentations, you'll be receiving a variety of things from me, so it has to be a good email address that you can use consistently. I'm also going to be using the Remind application. Some of you probably have already used this in other classes. I have been using it in my high school classes for the last couple of years, and it has been very successful. The students like it. Sometimes parents like to get involved. If you wish to share the Remind application information with your parents, that's fine with me. I'm not going to solicit your parents on that, but that's up to you. I have attached under the syllabus tab on the website the second document. I think I titled it something like Remind Application Information. It's going to tell you exactly the 3 steps you need to take to join for this class so you can receive notifications. It's super easy to do. So I would urge you to do that as you're looking at this video. You maybe even pause this video and go look at that and take care of that now. You don't have to join Remind, but it's highly encouraged. Your assignments, I've got that on the 3rd page of your syllabus. Pretty straightforward. The exams will total 500 of your 1,000 points possible for this class. I'll try to distribute them as evenly as possible. Each exam will have 2 parts. You'll have an in-class part, no books, no notes, typical closed exam. And the other half of each exam, including the final, will be a take-home part where you will be able to use your books, your notes, your phones, the internet, each other, as far as I'm concerned. And we'll talk more about that too. Each exam will be essentially non-cumulative. What that means is once the first exam is done, you can put that information away. You don't have to know it anymore. Then we move on to the second unit. Once the second exam is over, again, you can put that information away. You don't have to be accountable for it anymore. The final is the same. The final is not cumulative. It'll simply be the last information that we cover in class, not from day one. So keep that in mind. The writing assignments, I don't have a stack of assignments ready to go because every class is different, and the interest level, things that we like, that we don't like as a class, vary from one setting to the next. You can reasonably expect 10 to 12 writing assignments, some short, some a little bit longer, just depends. 400 of your 1,000 points possible will be writing assignments. And then at the very end of the semester, I'm going to have a PowerPoint project for you to work on. I'll have more details about that coming very soon, but just kind of keep that in the back of your minds. It'll be worth 100 points of the 1,000 points possible in this class. So if you add up all the points, that should give you 1,000 points. Now you know exactly what to expect in terms of the assignments and what they're going to be worth. The grading scale is typical college grading scale. I think in Kanawha County schools, a 92.5 is an A. That's the lowest A you can earn. In college, a 90% is the lowest A, so you have some more room there, if you will. 80 to 89 is a B, 70 to 79 is a C, so forth, etc. So we'll go ahead and call that the end of the first video discussion of the course syllabus. Thank you.